Faint is a brief loss of responsiveness caused by a temporary reduction of the blood flow to the brain. It may be a reaction to pain, exhaustion, and lack of food, or emotional stress. Fainting is also common after long periods of physical inactivity, such as standing or sitting still, especially in a warm atmosphere. This inactivity causes blood to pool in the legs, reducing the amount of blood reaching the brain. Make sure that the casualty has plenty of fresh air. Ask someone to open the window if you are indoors. In addition, ask any bystanders to stand clear. When a casualty feels faint, kneel down, raise her legs supporting her ankles to improve blood flow to the brain. Watch her face for signs of recovery. As the casualty recovers, reassure her and help her to sit up gradually. If she starts to feel faint again, advise her to lie down once again and raise and support her legs until she recovers fully.